Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to use Roblox Studio on, or how to get Roblox Studio on mobile. So if you're using Android or iPhone, you can use Roblox Studio on phone. How can you do that? First of all, there is no such application on Play Store, so you have to go to the browser. You can open any browser, but I will recommend you to use Chrome browser. And now you have to search for, or have to go official website of Roblox, roblox.com. When you reach here, just click on this option. Can you see at the bottom, continue in browser? You can click on it, and here guys, basically first of all you have to make sure that you are logged in the right ID. Or after logged in Roblox, now you have to click on this create option. So there are four options: discover, avatar shop and Robux, but you have to click on create option. So when you click on this create option, you have to choose three dots at the top rightmost. Just choose this three dot. When you click on this, there is option called desktop site. So when you click on this, it will open the site in desktop mode. Now you can access the Roblox Studio. So this is a Roblox Studio. You can use it. You can create shirt, and you can create t-shirts from here if you want. You can create shirt as well from here. You can create pant as well from here. So there are all the options are available that you find in Roblox Studio. So you haven't created any, so use to start building, and yeah, that's how you can do it. And you can create a path from here as well if you want, but there are limited features in this Roblox Studio. But if you want, like you want to do animations, if you want to do animations, or you want to create models, then you actually have to install Roblox on PC. But there are limited features you can use on mobile, like you can create it passes here. You can create pant shirt on mobile, but you can't create animations like animations, or you can't create models on mobile. So to do that, you have to install the Roblox Studio on PC. Yeah, I hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe to our channel if you're new on channel. Till then, bye bye.